Hello, welcome to Lewis dot structure by Sanjay Khemani. Today, we will be illustrating two elements using the Lewis dot structure. We will be illustrating these following elements. This covalent molecule is silicon 2, fluorine 2, and hydrogen 2. The polyatomic ion is manganese, oxygen 4 to the -1 charge. Today, we will illustrate the Lewis dot structure using silicon 2, fluorine 2, and hydrogen 2. Silicon has 4 valence electrons, fluorine has 7 valence electrons, and hydrogen only has 1. This equals a total of 12 valence electrons. Once you reach the 12 valence electrons, you have to divide it by 2, which equals a total of 6 pairs. Now, to do the dot diagram, you have to have 2 fluorines in the middle, and this pairs itself up to represent the 2 bonds. Then you have to have the remaining electrons on the outer region, and on the sides there will be 1 electron missing, and that would be filled by hydrogen. Then you have the 4 electrons, 2 in the between hydrogen and silicon, and 2 on the outside of both silicons. Now, to do the bonds, fluorine equals each other out. Then you have to have 2 lines, 1 line on each fluorine, representing that they had 2 bonds, but that they did not bond with any other molecules. And after that, they all equal hydrogen, and they bond with silicon. Those 2 lines outside of silicon represent the ending of the bond. The second Lewis dot structure is manganese, oxygen 4 to -1 charge. So manganese has 2 valence electrons, and oxygen has 6 valence electrons. So you do 6 plus 2 equals 8 valence electrons, divided by 2 equals a total of 4 pairs. You put manganese in the middle, and you have 2 electrons on either side. Then, to fill out the remaining spaces for manganese, you draw oxygen on all 4 sides, since there are 4 oxygens, and the empty spaces for manganese soon get filled. But on 2 oxygen, you have to have a negative charge ion. Those 2 arrows represent the negative charge ion. This is how you complete the dot diagram. To complete the bond, you have to have manganese in the middle, and you have to have lines going to all oxygens. So you have 2 oxygens on the top and bottom, and 2 oxygens on either side. Once you have completed the bonds, you have to draw brackets symbolizing the ending of the bond, and you have to have a -2 representing the 2 negative charge ions. I hope you have learned how to construct a Lewis dot structure. Thank you for watching.